So what did Kennedy do? Kennedy said, okay, we need to figure out an action plan. So he called together ExComm, which stood for the Executive Committee of the National Security Council, to discuss options. Basically, this was his most trusted group of advisors. Okay, and the question is how should JFK handle this crisis? One option would be to pursue diplomacy, basically talk with Cuba and the Soviet Union and try and convince them to remove the missiles voluntarily. Another option would be to blockade Cuba. In other words, use the US Navy to prevent Soviet ships from reaching the shore of Cuba so that they couldn't fully assemble the missiles that they had started. Or a last option would be to have the Air Force destroy the missile sites on Cuba before they could become operational. In other words, an airstrike. Those were the options that ExComm was dealing with, and those were the options that we would be debating in class.